Hi, today I'm for the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G and I'll show you how to log out from the Gmail account on this device. So if you want to log out from Gmail account on your Galaxy device, let's click on the right upper corner in Gmail application. Then we'll see here our logged in Gmail account. To log out from the application, we should first log out from Google account on our device. And to do that, we should click Manage Accounts on this device, tap to our account and click here Remove Account. Then confirm your action by tap to Remove Account again. And now we'll successfully log out from the Google account in Google settings. So now we can see that in application we also successfully log out from the Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.